Today we're gonna be making a favorite cold soup, gazpacho, but we're gonna make it as a dessert, as a April Fool's joke that won't be released until after April Fool's. Anyway.
That settles it, you are an idiot.
Anyway, let's get started. I'm using 5, I believe they're Plum tomatoes. You can add some mint as well. Another must-have for gazpacho, a cucumber. I've got half a cucumber here. I already peeled it and cut it in half. I'm just gonna cut it into slightly more manageable chunks. There you go, Sid. Now I'm gonna add 2 cloves of garlic. I know what you're thinking. Garlic in a dessert. Dennis, have you thought this through? Maybe. Now, strawberries. I'm gonna try and add as many strawberries as I have tomatoes, a roughly equal ratio. Add some salt. Now I'm gonna add some red wine vinegar. Just a little bit since this is a dessert version. And you gotta have olive oil in gazpacho. So we're gonna add like 3 tablespoons of it. Oreos! My thought process is that in normal gazpacho, you use breadcrumbs soaked in vinegar to thicken the soup. So I was like, what if I could use Oreos to thicken the soup? Oreos, tomatoes, and cucumber. Kind of a weird flavor profile. So add a little peanut butter to help assist the Oreos. So I'm gonna strain this and then put it in the fridge, basically just to cool down, because gazpacho needs to be served cold. I'm gonna try and force it through this sieve. Now we're gonna do, put this in the fridge and we're gonna let it chill for at least 30 minutes. But theoretically with this gazpacho, the longer you let it chill, the better it gets. You're supposed to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top of the gazpacho. Sorry, I think if I was gonna do it again, I'd probably add sugar. Probably help. But as is decent. Make sure to comment with some ideas below. I'm gonna have to keep descending into the dark depths of TikTok.